Oh my gosh. Are we almost done with day one? We are almost done with day one. This is going to be our fourth parent function. Another one that we've been kind of working with. Okay, it's one we've been using. And, yeah, I mean, you know, hey, why not look? Okay, it's one probably out of these four the one we've least used so far. And it's just below here in our exponentials. It's this guy right here. It's my little squiggly. My little squiggly. I like to call him... Well, I like to call him. Here's what he is called. He's the cubic parent function. Okay, cubic parent function is y equals x to the third power. Okay, a lot like the quadratic. Y equals x to some power. This time it's to the third power. Okay, so this is y equals x to the third power. All right, let's do what we've been doing before. I'm gonna look at some points. Let's see what happens. Okay, 0, 0 is a really common point with these. I hope we're noticing that. Okay, because we got 0, 0 in there. Another one that we share here is we got this point 1, 1. Okay, and then what happens when we get to 2 though? We get 2. We go a little crazy here. Since it's cubed, it's like 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 2 times 2 is 4, but then we got to multiply by 2 again. So that's 8. So it jumps up really fast. This is another one kind of like exponential that jumps up really fast. So 2, 8 would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa. See how that jumps up really fast? 2, 8. Okay, so there's that one. What's different about this one compared to, say, exponential? Think about exponential. This one, you know, goes up really fast, but if you go to the left, it like flattens out. This one, though, we're going to the left. It doesn't flatten out or anything. It kind of just goes down like crazy. Oh, we're forgetting arrows as usual. Okay, arrows, because it's going to keep going. The other thing is this is really similar to the y equals x squared, but again, it's going up really fast. But then to the left, the x squared would like keep going up again. But then like this one goes down. So this one does get negative. So like if we go say to -1, it goes down here to -1 for y as well. Okay. Same thing happens with -2. We go to -2. It's -2 times -2 times -2. So a negative times negative makes positive, but then a positive times a negative, that makes another negative. So this is -8. So instead of going like back up, this one goes down. So it'd be like down here. Okay. So that's the cubic function. Okay. There's no boundaries. There's nothing stopping us. There's no asymptotes. There's none. Okay. Minimum, maximum. You'd think there's like a minimum and a maximum on this one. There's absolutely none. If you look, those y values, there's no maximum because there's always a bigger one. We're going to keep going up. There's no minimum. It's always going to keep going down. There's an arrow going down as well. So we got both of those things going on there. X and y intercept. I'm glad you asked. It's the origin again. Okay, it's 0, 0. We cross through 0, 0. It's going to be both. Okay, it's going to be both. Domain. This is almost like a broken record with this domain. We're doing all real numbers. Okay, there's no restrictions on the x's that we plug into the function. We can plug in whatever x's we want, or -infinity to infinity. Okay, that's our x's. There's no stopping us left and right. Okay, the only thing is we get to the range though. There actually is nothing stopping us there either. If we look, there's an arrow going up, there's an arrow going down. That means there's no lowest point. We can always go lower. We can always go higher. So we can always do the same. Oh, I did that wrong. There we go. All real numbers, or again, an interval notation. We got -infinity to infinity. -infinity to infinity. And then there's our cubic. Okay, those are the four that we've like played around with already. They're the ones that we've kind of like, you know, hey, we've like dipped our toe in there. We can see which one's which when we're looking at our tables and such. Like these are the ones we can recognize so far. But here's these are just like the key characteristics. But yeah, there you go. There's the end of day one for you. Congrats.